Welcome to my channel. How to install and set up Synology NAS Fast Beginner's Guide. Looking to set up your Synology NAS quickly and easily? In this beginner's guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to install and configure your Synology NAS in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and connect. First, unbox your Synology NAS. Insert your hard drives into the drive bays, then connect the NAS to your router using an Ethernet cable. Finally, plug in the power adapter and switch it on. Step 2. Find NAS on network. Now on your computer, open a web browser and go to find.synology.com. This will automatically detect your NAS on the network. Step 3. Install DSM Disk Station Manager. Once detected, click Connect. Follow the setup wizard to install DSM, the Synology operating system. It will download and install automatically. Just wait a few minutes. Step 4. Create admin account. After installation, create your admin account with a username and password. This will be your main login to manage the NAS. Step 5. Configure storage. Next, set up your storage. Choose between SHR Synology Hybrid RAID or a custom RAID type. For beginners, SHR is recommended. It balances performance and data protection. Step 6. Quick settings. Enable Quick Connect to access your NAS from anywhere. You can also install basic apps like FileStation and Synology Drive to easily manage your files. And that's it. Your Synology NAS is now installed and ready to use. You can start storing files, streaming media, and backing up your devices right away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.